is always a proverb or a saying to match whatever emotion or situation there is. Now, these proverbs or sayings are influenced by our multicultural ancestry, namely that of the African and English ancestry. And of course, it's not just the saying or the proverb, it's how you say it too. You see, if you want half a bread, beg smaddy bite. But you see, if you want one whole loaf, bite yourself. The English would have said, if you want half of a loaf of bread, ask someone to bite. But if you want the entire loaf, then bite yourself. In other words, be very careful that you depend too much on others to handle your affairs. You may not get the full value. I'm not go so far as to say you may be cheated out of the full value, but that can happen too. So do as much as you can by yourself, because being dependent on others can leave you getting less than what you really want. Yes? There is so much truth and wisdom in our good old Jamaican proverbs. So we need to claim our heritage, know our culture, get to know we Jamaican proverb them, and use them when we really need to.